Imagine me finding you in my bathroom with me. The scandal. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I was saying earlier in my previous video when I did the lashes, the first set of magnetic lashes, how difficult it was to get off the magnetic eyeliner. So I did actually pick this up while I was at Walgreens. It's the Wet n Wild Makeup Remover Demaquillant. Yeah, like they're French, my butt. Anyway, this has micellar water in it and some kind of oil, because you definitely have to shake it to blend it. It doesn't look like my other micellar water. Other micellar waters, where are you? I have too many products. Okay, well, I don't have one. I can't locate one at the moment. So I'm going to take off half my makeup with this. I'm going to try and see if it works, because it says it takes off even waterproof. Oh, maybe you can see it now that I shook it up. It says it takes off even the harshest waterproof mascara. And since this is magnetic eyeliner, we'll see. And then on the other half, of course, we have the Neutrogena makeup wipes. I think everybody has those. Yes, this is my Kardashian Beauty hanging on the wall hair dryer. Rose gold, matte black, love it. Gorge. I have several of them. I have a collection habit. Okay, so this, it's for eyes, lips, and face. Okay. So I'm using just the Shisheido facial cotton squares. And I'll tell you a real funny story about last Christmas. And if you ever want to do this to your kids, it's like great. So I ordered, if you go to Chanel on their website, they have the similar little cotton squares. And they're really, I like these because they're from Japan. I love Shisheido. I can't afford them. But I saw it and I ordered it for Lauren, my daughter. And it came in this great big Chanel box with this bow, and they put the receipt in this lovely Chanel envelope type thing, and it was a really nice gift presentation for Christmas. So I'm like, you know what, I wrapped it up and I just left it as it was. So when she ripped up the opening, I'm like, save this one for last, you know. So when she opened up the box, all she saw was another box with the Chanel logo on it. And she's like, oh Mom, you shouldn't have. Like, you're right. Go ahead, open it up. To get a box of cotton swabs for Chanel. I am evil. Oh my God. It was a good time. Trust me, it's a good time. Okay, so I have not only that magnetic eyeliner on, but I have Kylie Jenner's lip formula. This one, I don't know what the name of it is because I'm blind. It's Kylie number, I don't know, it might be say eggnog, it might say dolce. I have no idea. If anybody can read this, you're welcome to it. But this is the color. This is the color it is, and it's from the Kylie lip kit. And yeah, it winds up drying down so nasty on me. And earlier, this is the palette that I dug into for the eye colors right here. I just used two of them. I used Dusty Rose and Pink, and then I put a little bit of eye glitter in the middle. So this was it. It was Essentials from Violet Voss, her Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to dip into it more. Now I see the shimmers of the green and the plum berry. I'm gonna have some fun. So let's get ready and see if this works, or if I'm gonna have to resort to olive oil. I did not bring any into the bathroom with me, so okay, hair back. Yes, we love to do that. Okay, so you open it up, you shake it up really well. I think I'll do this half. Oh my goodness. Okay, I had to shut the door because my phone is ringing and my ringtone will set off the, wait a minute, isn't this, wait. How is this supposed to work? Hold on. Oh, you twist it. Oh, okay. So the top twists. Ooh, oh my God. And it squirts. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take off this gently on the eyes, gently. Let it soak in there. Did it dissolve it? Oh, oh, stinging my eye. Oh, what else is in there? Did it stinging my eye? Oh, it dissolves really well. Oh, it took it all off. It took it off. Like a champ. Wow. Look how dirty this thing is. This thing is filthy. This is how much makeup I had on. Oh my gosh, look. Can you see that? It's gone. Look at that. And look at this one. I look at this one. Okay, so let's get the squirty bottle. Send another couple of pumps. Wow, I am really, really impressed. Okay. Maybe I don't have to do the other side with and Kylie stuff is gone. It's still gunk up on the other side. But I am going through an awful lot of Shisheido cotton squares. This is a little messy, but I like it. I don't know why I just said it that way, but yeah. Okay. So yeah. Alright, it works really, really well. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Wet and Wild. Come through. Come through. Very nice. It does have a kind of an oily taste. I'm going to go ahead and try the Neutrogena just on the other side because these are my old standby. And I have hundreds of these things. So, okay, let's try it on the eyes first. And like I said, the whole reason I didn't like the other eyelashes were because it was the liner. It was definitely the magnetic liner because I've been playing with these. I even have the chemicals to make my own magnetic liner that I saw this girl Mary on YouTube do. And she's from Chicago. Just had a baby. I'll put her link in the description. But yeah, I saw her make her own, and it's like, you know what? I worked in pharmacy for a decade. I'm certified tech. I can measure. I can figure stuff out. Mary Runkle, that's her name. But yeah, so she made her own, and I ordered the same things to make my own. So yeah, it's just messy making it. And you know what? The Neutrogena did not remove, and I went over twice, 3 times. Yeah, not such a good thing. I will have to clean it up. Let me get another Shisheido cotton. Let me clean up that other eye. Oh my, you know, there's something in it. Micellar water doesn't normally sting the eyes, but sting-a-ling-a-ling. Well, you know what? Product review. It used a lot though. Yeah, but then again, I did paint a lot of stuff on my face, and I probably should have just used this for just this on the top. Did you guys see that I actually pulled down my headband like they were my glasses? Oh my god, I do it all the time. I blind myself with headbands. Oh my god, I cracked myself up. Okay, mess-free locking cap. Oh, it said it was a locking cap. Okay. Alright, so twist it and it won't go down. Okay, cool. So it is. It's a locking cap. Twist it, lock it. Love it. It's small, but if I keep it only for the eyeshadow, it's probably a big win. It's probably a big win. Oh yeah, so here's the other one of the other. This is the Sephora micellar water that I use. And it doesn't have that oily consistency, you know what I mean? I have a yellow one too. So it's just a matter of, I have so much. I don't know where I put anything. I know I have the big Garnier micellar water. I lost that. That's why I bought the ones from Sephora. Then I couldn't find the ones from Sephora. I have the coconut one and a yellow one. So I picked this up. Gotta love being disorganized. The chaos of being me. Okay, well, thank you for watching. And so I didn't need the olive oil. You can use the Wet n Wild. Works like a charm. It works better than the Neutrogena, which I am shocked at. You'll just go through a lot of I would suggest using regular cosmetic cotton balls instead of wasting, you know, your good stuff on it. Yeah, so that's it. That's my review. Love it. A+. I'm gonna wash my face now and put myself tanner on and moisturize and get myself ready for bed. It's been a long day. Thank you for coming to my channel. Maybe I'll go play some Fortnite with the fam. Yeah, all right, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for dropping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.